So let us see how to fade in and fade out the music or audio clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now there are two ways in which you can do this. One is by using this audio transitions and another is manually. So first of all, I'll show you how you can do using the audio transitions. So all you have to do is that you have to use this exponential fade transition, which you can find in the effects panel. Okay, so just come here and then search for the crossfade, and in the audio transitions you will find this exponential fade. So just drag and drop it on the clip, audio clip. Okay, so if you want to fade out the music at the end, just drag this one and then drop it at the end. But before that, let me play this video. So this is how it sounds at the end. So you can see that the sound is not fading out, but if I apply this exponential fade, and now you'll notice that the sound is fading out like this. And the same thing you can do at the beginning of the clip as well. So if you want to fade in, you can just apply this same effect, exponential fade, at the beginning of this clip. So this is the automatic or the using the transitions, but you can also do this by using the manual method as well. So first of all, let me remove this particular transition. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna right click on the clip and then click on show clip keyframes, volume, and then level. So you can see that these keyframes are now visible. So I'm gonna add a couple of keyframes over here. So this is the first keyframe, that is I've added here, and then take the marker at the end, and I'm gonna add another keyframe over here in the end. And now I can drag this one. So if I want to reduce the volume, I can drag it like this. So I can have full control. I can also move it as well like this. And now if I apply this, so you can see that slowly the audio is reducing. That's it. Thanks for watching.